A very good morning. Hi, my name is Jesneri Johannes Anak Jawi, and this is our assignment for BQS567 Facility Management, and we're for Group 4. Our title for our case study is Space Management and Work Optimization. So the first one is the background of study. Businesses maximize office space using activity-based workspace for better utilization, resource management, and employee choice without reducing for comfort or productivity. 37% of workspaces unoccupied on typical workday, driving shift from fixed desks. So the tech enhancement is the sensor data improves desk allocation, utilization, and productivity in hot desking. And the layout impacts. Workplace design directly affects user experience and operational efficiency. And there are two case studies which is from London and Nigeria. So the first one is Nigeria's sawmill redesign, cut material handling distance, boosted throughput, space use, and work satisfaction. And the second one is London co-working study, occupancy and behavior data guide hybrid space planning with varying area usage. Alright, next is the objective of the study. There are three objectives, which are to investigate how effective utilization of workspace is facilitated by space planning. The second is to evaluate how occupancy tracking facilities improve environmental management, space utilization, and desk allocation. And the last one is to assess how layout changes and hot desking enhance customer pleasure, employee comfort, and operational efficiency. Alright, so the scope of study is focused on how to use the space, measure occupancy, arrange workstation, and redesign workplace layout in office building and the other similar facilities through workplace management techniques. Its use of data collection from studies on activity-based workspace and co-working facilities. It's also research about facility layouts and explore how these management techniques can affect workers' productivity and overall satisfaction at work. The scope is specific on how this approach can affect the workplace experience and the space that we'll utilize. It does not include the wider real estate finance, construction, procurement, or non-workplace building kinds. And that's all from me, Jesneri Johannes Anak Jawi. Thank you.
Next, I will explain about space management. So, space management is the process of planning and organizing workplace efficiently. The purpose is to ensure that office spaces are arranged properly to support daily work activities. Besides that, effective space management helps to reduce unused space or wasted space. Organization can avoid having empty areas that are not fully utilized. It also improves employee productivity and comfort because a well-managed workspace creates a better working environment for employees. In addition, good space management can lower operational and maintenance costs such as electricity, cleaning, and maintenance expenses. And nowadays, organization also use technologies such as CAFM system and occupancy sensors to monitor how office spaces are being used in real time. Next is workplace optimization. So workplace optimization focuses on improving workplace design and layout so employees can work more effectively and comfortably. A comfortable work environment with proper lighting, furniture, and temperature can improve employee satisfaction and performance. Workplace optimization also supports teamwork and collaboration. Open spaces and collaboration areas encourage employees to interact and work together more easily. Many organizations now use flexible workspaces such as hot desking and hybrid offices, where employees can choose suitable work area depending on their tasks. Technology also plays an important role because digital system helps organizations to manage office spaces more efficiently. There are several benefits of workplace optimization. First, it increases employee productivity because a comfortable workplaces help employees to stay motivated and focused while working. Second, it allows better use of office space, which organization can maximize the use of available workspace more efficiently. Third is workplace optimization helps reduce operational costs such as maintenance and energy expenses. Besides that, it improves employee well-being by creating a healthier and more comfortable work environment, which increases the job satisfaction. And lastly, workplace optimization supports flexible working arrangement such as hybrid and remote working system.
Moving on to the next slide, technology in space management. Technology plays an important role in improving space management and workplace design. It helps organizations make better decisions by providing accurate and real-time data. There are several key technologies used. First is the Internet of Things, or IoT, which uses sensors to monitor occupancy and environmental condition. This is useful for flexible working arrangement like hot desking because it shows which spaces are available. Next is Computer-Aided Facility Management, or CAFM system. This system collects and analyzes data on how spaces are used, helping organizations identify underutilized areas and improve planning. Another important tool is Building Information Modeling, or known as BIM, which creates digital models of buildings. This makes it easier to visualize and adjust workplace layouts. Finally, workplace analytics software integrates different data sources to give a clearer understanding of workspace needs. Overall, these technologies help improve productivity and ensure spaces are used more efficiently.
And I am going to talk about the issues and problems. One of the main problems in facilities management is poor space utilization. Some spaces are overcrowded while others are rarely used, causing inefficiency in the workplace. Organizations also waste money maintaining unused areas. Another issue is the lack of real-time data, where decisions are made using outdated information. Because of this, the available spaces may not match what employees actually need, and it can affect their productivity and comfort while working. Another major issue is employee resistance. Many employees feel uncomfortable losing their personal workspace or fixed desks. Some workers are worried about where they will sit or if they can stay close to their teammates. Poor communication and lack of training can also make employees feel confused and dissatisfied. As a result, the space management strategy may not work effectively if employees do not support the changes. Next is cost and technology challenges. One challenge in implementing space management is the high cost of technology. Organizations need to spend money on sensors, software system, and infrastructure. Besides that, there are also ongoing maintenance and subscription costs. Another issue is system integration, where different technologies may not work properly together. Some staff may also lack digital skills, making it difficult to fully use the system effectively.
For the analysis of current practices, many companies today use flexible workspaces such as hot desking and shared offices to save space and improve efficiency. Open plan office concepts are also commonly used because they encourage collaboration and communication among employees. However, some organizations still face poor space utilization, where certain office areas are crowded while others are underused. To solve this issue, many companies use smart technologies such as occupancy sensors and digital systems to monitor workspace usage in real time. And finally, continuous improvement is important, as organizations should regularly collect employee feedback and review their workplace strategies to improve overall workplace performance.
Moving on to the next slide, recommendation for improvement. There are several recommendations to improve space management and workspace optimization. First, organizations should adopt technologies such as IoT sensors and CAFM system. These tools help identify unused or inefficient spaces and allow better use of the workplace. Second, flexible workspace strategies should be implemented. For example, hot desking and activity-based working allow employees to choose their workspace depending on their tasks, which can improve productivity and collaboration. Third, effective change management is important. Organizations need clear planning, proper communication, and training to ensure employees can adapt to new systems smoothly. Lastly, continuous evaluation is necessary. Organizations should regularly assess workspace performance and gather employee feedback to ensure the strategies remain effective. These improvements can lead to better efficiency, cost saving, and even environmental benefits. Moving on to case study overview. For our case study, we choose Microsoft. This case study focuses on Microsoft, a global technology company that emphasizes hybrid work and digital transformation. Microsoft applies activity-based working where employees choose their workspace based on the tasks they are performing instead of having fixed desks. This approach improves flexibility and space utilization. In addition, Microsoft uses smart office technologies such as workplace analytics and occupancy sensors to collect real-time data. This allows the company to make data-driven decisions in space planning and improve overall workplace efficiency.
For the case study, Microsoft uses activity-based working or ABW. This means employees can choose different spaces depending on their tasks, such as focus rooms or collaboration areas. Microsoft also uses technology and data to monitor how spaces used. With this information, underused spaces can be improved and overcrowding can be reduced. Overall, this approach creates a flexible, efficient, and productive workplace.
Moving on to findings and discussion. The findings show that Microsoft's approach to space management brings several benefits. Firstly, activity-based working reduces the need for fixed desks and improves space efficiency. It also enhances employee productivity and collaboration. Second, IoT-based occupancy monitoring allows real-time tracking of space usage. This helps identify underutilized areas and optimize layouts, leading to cost saving. However, there are challenges. Some employees may resist changes such as desk sharing and they may need time to adjust. This is why strong leadership, proper training, and clear communication are important. Finally, Microsoft's approach also provides environmental benefits. By reducing unused space, the company can lower energy consumptions and support sustainability goals. Overall, effective space management not only improves efficiency but also enhances employee satisfaction and environmental performances.
So we reached the end of the presentation, which is the conclusion. And the first one is the modern workplace optimization. It's beyond cost cutting, create workers focused spaces, and 37% of office space is often unused daily. And the solution for this are the activity-based working and hot desking, and the IoT, Internet of Things sensor, CAFM, which stands for Computer Aided Facility Management, digital twins for real-time data. The benefits are the higher chance for collaboration, productivity, and satisfaction. And the Microsoft case, it's for better space use, sustainability, and energy savings. And the challenges are the desk attachment, privacy and ergonomics concern, and high setups costs for small organization. The success tips are the clear communication and training, and the leadership support and employee feedback. And the last one is a long-term impact, optimize the biggest expenses after the payroll, and boost well-being, creativity, and retention. And this is all about our presentation, and thank you for listening.